Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with those essentials already in place: project, teams, and work items. First, enable the delivery plan's extension and confirm you have project admin or plan permissions. Next, create a new plan and immediately pick the teams to include, choose backlog levels to display, and set a date range that matches your sprint cadence. Once done, add at least one iteration path to visualize work. This gets you from 0 to a working plan in minutes, so you can iterate visually. Now you refine the plan so it's actionable for your teams. Map each team's board to a plan row and adjust row height for readability. This determines which work items appear. Then apply filters, limit by work item type, tags, states, or priority, to surface only what matters. Add custom fields or markers for release, risk, or owner, and create swim lanes to separate features versus bugs. Make sure to save and share the view so everyone sees the same timeline and responsibilities. Finish by sharing and pinning the plan on dashboards, and set permissions so stakeholders can view or edit appropriately. Use roll-up and dependency lines to verify timelines and catch schedule conflicts before they escalate. If a work item doesn't appear, check iteration and area mappings, team field configuration, and backlog level selections. Those are the usual culprits. If the plan still looks wrong, refresh permissions and re-add the team. These steps resolve most visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.